Guys, I'm back with a storm of some awesome news about Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Word on the street is that Samsung may unveil the Galaxy Note 9 a lot sooner than supposed to in July or August to make the most of it until Apple's next generation iPhones come to town. Lackluster Galaxy S9 sales are also supposedly a factor in Samsung's decision to move up the Note 9's launch. Samsung won't confirm any of that chatter just yet, but the fact that we already have Galaxy Note 9 rumors out there is a telltale sign. The latest leak consists of a series of images that show working Galaxy Note 9 prototype complete with a huge surprise and in-screen fingerprint sensor. Unfortunately, however, I have some bad news: the images are fakes. Persian language blog SamArena.ir posted 3 pictures of the alleged Galaxy Note 9 phone, and they have been circulating all morning. For that reason, I thought it would be a good idea to give our viewers a head up before they get too excited about these fakes. In one picture, the supposed Galaxy Note 9 is shown next to the Galaxy S9, but the following image is more interesting. Specifically, the rear panel of the phone is what attracted so much attention, as it features a dual lens camera placed in a central position and no fingerprint sensor on the back. Samsung, like every other Android device maker, is some 2 years behind when it comes to adopting 3D facial recognition technology, which means the Galaxy Note 9 must have a fingerprint sensor if it is to offer secure biometrics. Reports earlier this year were not exactly in agreement regarding this particular feature, with some saying the Note 9 will have an in-display fingerprint sensor, while others say it will be located on the back. As much as you want to believe these photos are real and Samsung pulled off its in-display fingerprint sensor, the pictures were already debunked by the folks at Sam Mobile. Let's revisit the same images, this time right next to their originals. In the first one, you'll notice how the fake Note 9 image shows an elongated speaker. The original image shows the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus side by side. In the second one, you can see that the phone is also the Galaxy S9 Plus, not a Note 9. The fingerprint sensor is right there on the back side of the phone under the camera. Anyways, now your turn. Let me know what you guys think about these fakes. It is real or not? If Samsung made the Galaxy Note 9 like this, so what you want to say? Let me know in the comments down, and make sure to subscribe this channel for these types of amazing daily tech videos. And I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.